In this video, we're going to take a look at using conditional logic to determine property values. Conditional logic can be added to any user-added property in an assembly. From the Edit Property dialog, set the Conditions checkbox. Once set, a button will appear to the right of the checkbox. Click this button to set up the condition that will determine the value of this property. Conditions can be applied to numeric, text, or color properties. Conditional logic in trade tech is based on three components: rules, conditions, and formulas. The first step is to add one or more rules to be evaluated. In this example, we are going to create a rule that evaluates the property value of the stud on center spacing to check if it is set to 16 inches on center. Next, we'll add a second rule that evaluates the property value of the stud multiply property to check if it is set to 1. Rules can use either numeric or text operators based on the type selected in the property column. Rules can reference folder, job, and global property values. The rule formula can be simple text or a complete formula built from the formula editor. Double-click on a rule to determine if the rule is evaluating to true or false. Once one or more rules has been added, the next step is to create a condition to evaluate the rule. To reference a rule in the condition, simply type the row letter of the rule in the condition field. Multiple rules can be evaluated by using the appropriate condition operator between rule row letters. Conditions are evaluated from top to bottom until a condition evaluates to true, at which point the property value is set based on the corresponding formula. The final step is to add the formula that sets the property value. In this case, we'll add some text to the description property value that indicates that the studs are set to standard spacing. The formula of a condition can be either simple text or constructed with the formula editor. When condition 1 evaluates to true, formula 1 will set the property value. It's good practice to add a catch condition with the value of true to handle situations where the main condition does not evaluate to true. For more information on rules and formulas, click on the blue "Click for Help" label.